Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your website name on Wix. So this is super simple. You have to go to your browser and log into your website, Wix website, and after that you can see here the dashboard. This one, the dashboard. Then you have to click on this three dot beside the edit site. Click on this three dot, the site action, and you'll find here rename site, the first option. Just click on rename site, and then you can see here site name. This is your site name. You can change your site name by here. You can write anything you want, that's up to you. After that you can change this URL too. If you want to change your URL, you can do this like that. After that you have to click on save. After click on save, your name and URL will be changed, or your name will be changed. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.